Hello YouTube, this is nerf2468 and I'm here with my friend Michael again. Now we are doing a review because Michael just got a new gun. It's called
the Tech 10 Buzzbee Toys Air Blaster.
It's the Airzone Tech 10. It's actually pretty good for not being nerf. It's like pretty good. So that's about 10. Yep. That's about 10 feet away right there. And I like how this is. And it rotates when you turn it, so yep. Now shoot it holding it straight and hit the wall. And yeah, it's pretty cool.
I got that for my birthday.
And he got it for his birthday, he said. And the accuracy. Here, get over there and see how the accuracy is.
Okay.
Pretty good, I hit his shirt. Let's try again. I'm aiming for his stomach. Hit his stomach.
Yeah, my waist.
Well, close enough. Now I'm aiming for... Zoom in here. Let's aim for his knees.
Try not to hit my head with these times. Try not to.
Oh, close. Let's try and hit his feet now. Hey, I hit it. And it shoots like it's modified. I mean, listen to the dry fire. And it won't even hurt a thing. And yeah. So I don't think we'll be modifying this because it's already pretty good. So.
And I don't think you actually can.
Well, you can modify it, but I don't think we're gonna. So let's just, we're gonna have another Nerf war. And
later.
Yeah. We're gonna have another Nerf war later. And yep. Okay, we're back. We had a couple Nerf wars. Now we are going to do the Nerf war unscripted again. Michael's in here and we're getting ready for the Nerf war.
Grabbing a whistler so that if we end up both losing our ammo, Russian roulette, you know. Come on, come here.
Whatever. Okay, now here is Michael's stash. He has the Tech 10, Airzone, Nerf Deploy, and Nerf Volcano. Well, he calls it Volcano, but it is called the Reflex.
And for you people who don't know what Russian roulette is,
roulette.
We spin the gun, and if whoever lands on has to pick up the gun, and sometimes they would miss like that, and other times they would actually hit them. The person who hits and the person who gets hit by it loses. You know.
Okay, so and here's my stash over here.
We got the missiles.
I have the missile, Night Finder, and Modified Recon. Yep, and Modified Night Finder.
For some reason.
So let's get started with this Nerf war.
You know
what he's saying is that whenever we do the what's it called?
Russian roulette.
Russian roulette, we can't pick up Nerf darts in the battle. We can only come over here and get it. So yep. And you ready for it? Let's have that Nerf war. Right. Okay. You ready?
Ready when you are.
Okay, I'm ready.
Let the Russian roulette gun down.
Okay.
Let's do this thing.
Okay, ready, set, go. Got you in the head.
Our own supplies.
Oh, I can't get it.
Can't get what?
I can't get the bullet, can I?
No, our own supplies.
Right. Oh man, I lost my recon. This isn't the best bad bow.
You can't go salvaging from missiles. How much life you have?
You haven't hit me yet.
Good job.
Yep. Whoa!
Ah.
Oh yeah.
Gunshot.
Uh-huh.
Remember, no salvaging. You want out of everything? Yep. Just gotta waste the armor. That's everything.
Well, we're out of everything. So now what do we do?
Russian roulette. Flip over there.
Okay,
Stand on that end of the table.
here we
Put
go.
the camera like right here.
Oh, right. Camera fail. Camera fail.
Alright, now get over here. Hit ya.
It barely skinned my hair.
Huh. Alright, two. Load it. Duck it. Spin it. What? Can't play this forever, you know. Gonna have to respin that. That counts on your side.
This is hard. What happens when we hit?
You die.
Oh no!
That's what happens if you hit.
Wait. No.
Yeah.
You were so pointing it up on purpose.
Okay, shoot again. What?
Hit your hair.
Yeah.
Come
But that
on.
means that they haven't done it yet.
Oh my goodness.
Alright. Now if it touches the hair, you're dead. Kind of point it towards you.
Let me spin it, Buster. Hold on. Oh, it's keep it moving.
Look. Oops. Hmm?
I thought that hit your hair. Oh my goodness, it's taking forever.
Hit your hair? Come on. Load it. You gotta load it.
This may go on for quite a while.
Alright. That's Didn't that hit me?
Spin it. Oh, towards you again. Oh, yeah! Woo! That was kind of an unfair thing, but I mean, like, it worked. Uh-oh. Oh no, this isn't good. I think he's dead. Did these people die too?
Yes.
Okay.
Except I got this part from a Call of Duty game. Wasn't very good. One of my men in the army didn't want to do it. Well, let's just say the boss of him smashed him in the head quite a few times with a metal pipe. What are you doing, Brandon?
Nothing. It's just that metal pipe thing.
Yeah, and then before, when I was about to do it, I moved it over and I shot the person who kept on spinning it, and then I took him as hostage and started shooting the others. Brandon. Okay.
Oopsies.
Let's get back to another movie. I'll get the Russian roulette ready.
No, don't do that anymore. See ya. That's good for this episode. See you guys later. Bye. Oh my goodness, fail. I forgot I had an extra bullet here. Oh my goodness. Such a fail.
Epic fail.
Well, just a...
You missed me.
Oh.
I got you in the head. I got a nutcase in the head.
Oh yeah? Well, guess what?
What?
Wait, come here. Wait. It's for the camera. It's for the viewers out there. You know
What are you
that?
doing? Ah!
Come here.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
You just farted.
All right.
That was a big one.